Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how do you find out who blocked you on Instagram. Yes, guys, on social media blocking someone is the ultimate passive aggressive act. That's because even though blocking is considered secretive, no notification are sent as a signal. It's incredible easy to figure out if someone has blocked you. There is minimal sleuthing required. It would not even be enough to fill a half-hour mystery show, let alone 15 minutes of one. Plus, in most cases, it is pretty easy to get a sense of when someone might block you after a breakup, a fight with a friend, or an insensitive post. For those times when you have harbored a blocking suspicion but want to confirm it, this guide is to all your social media apps should help. It does not, however, promise to get you unblocked. There are amends you will have to make on your own. So guys, in this video I will tell you about the Instagram, how you can find out who blocked you on Instagram. So guys, before starting this video I just want to tell you that if you did not subscribe this channel yet, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so in this way you will get to know when we publish any new video. So guys, you never receive any notification alerting you when someone has blocked you on Instagram. However, you will not be able to find the profile, post or story of the user who blocked you. So if you are wondering if you have not been blocked, search for the account in question on your phone and then using a friend's phone. If you see them on your friend's phone but not yours, you have your answer. Alternatively, if you don't want to involve a friend, you can create a second Instagram account and search for them that way. Another clear sign of a block: if you can't see the person's account but you can see their comments or likes on posts from accounts you both follow. These don't disappear just because that person has blocked you. If you want to block or unblock someone on Instagram, simple, go to their profile, then setting, and then block or unblock. So guys, hope so you will like our video, and now you can get who blocked you from his Instagram account. So guys, if you like our video, please press the like button below the video, and if you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Meet you with the new video.